All right, so this is the aquarium vlog. Terrible lighting. Oh wow. It's a tiger salamander. I got some cockroaches. Madagascar hissing ones. Oh, that guy. And just taking a walk through the aquarium while we fucking have it to ourselves. Poison dart frogs. Green tree monitor. Oh, it's sleeping. That's cute. Smells like feet and someone's dirty laundry in here. I almost fell. Going through the first freshwater tunnel. This is more so like local fish and stuff like that. We got some white lake sturgeon. We got some alligator gar. One's gonna come past me here. There's an alligator gar there.
How come you have a vacuum cleaner in there?
We also have a couple walleye. And that vacuum cleaner that my dad was wondering about is a smallmouth buffalo. Smallmouth buffalo. Alligator gar. And then over on this side, that is long-nosed gar. They just sit there and chill. Oh.
Hey,
Squirm, squirm.
Derp, derp, itty, derp, 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 derp.
Mississippi. Beautiful fish. And then there's squirp, squirmy, squirp, squirmy, squirmy, squirmy.
they all have whiskers.
Duh, duh.
Super up close to a sturgeon mouth. Look at all those sturgeon. There's some shovel-nosed sturgeon and white lake sturgeon down there. Some more alligator gar. Those are some big alligator gars.
Derp,
This is a long-nosed gar. No, it's a baby alligator. Alligator gar.
duh.
Squirp. You can see their teeth.
Huh? What? What are you talking about?
This is the biggest alligator gar here. Huge one. So now we're gonna go through the second freshwater exhibit here. It's the Amazon one. Got some black pacu. There's some white pacu back there as well.
Look at brown about the teeth.
And then back there is arapaima. One of the arapaimas and some catfish. There's like razorback catfish, red belly catfish. There's some cheechlids too that are just cheeklids or whatever that are just swimming around as well. There's the arapaima. There's two of them. There's one there, one there. These are giant fish, about 12 feet. Oh yeah, can't forget the tiger rays too. Fun fact about pacu, those little black and white fish back there, they have teeth like us, so they can eat fruits and nuts.
Nuts.
Slurp. Can't quite see it, but kind of.
This one's come over here to see what's going on.
Hey, you see yourself in the thing?
What's going on?
One random ass turtle that came from the other side. It literally came up from those jets up there. It's not supposed to be in here. It's supposed to be in the first exhibit. Looks like a fucking Star Wars character. Ah, here's one of the Midas cheeklids or cheechlids. You know, for a big forehead, you sure got a small ass brain.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm curious.
Oh, we're saying goodbye to the Amazon exhibit and going to the first Shark Cove. Back behind me is Miss Lola, the bullmouth guitarfish, and then Emilio, the loggerhead sea turtle. Big old underside. That's pussy.
Where's your Richard?
There she goes. And then the two sharks laying there are nurse sharks. Bunch of sharks. We got sand tiger sharks, sand bar sharks. We got a white spotted wobbegong shark. So we're entering the second part of Shark Cove. This is where most of the sharks are. Most of the stingrays as well, because there's leopard rays. There's one right there. It's a leopard ray. And then where we see the sawfish, the green sawfish. Turtle. It's the loggerhead sea turtle we saw earlier. Turtle. There's a sawfish, green sawfish. Got another one back there. And then a shovel nose guitarfish. Hi. So what do you think of the tunnel so far?
Shut up.
You like the pretty shiny fish over there? Sand tiger shark? Shovel nose guitarfish? Coming up? Ooh, pretty. Oh, and then Mr. Duke.
Moving on.
He's moving on. Fish penis? Two fish penis?
Why is his nose up?
Because that's how he's directing himself. Showing his penis to Duchess. Oh, he's trying to take a sleepy sleep, a little nap. Turtle.
Jet.
All right, now we're entering the last tunnel. As Rainbow Reef. We got all the tropical fish. We got Seymour the turtle there. She's a green sea turtle. Surprise! That's a porcupine fish. Type of puffer fish. Cono stingray. Male Cono stingray. And right there in the behind there is a blue tang. Another blue tang. Fish. Random fish. Pile of bamboo sharks. Right up on the top of the end of the tunnel. Fish.
Yay.
So now we're exiting the Rainbow Reef and into the Seahorse Kingdom. Clownfish. It's like a bunch of them. Clownfish Kingdom. Seahorses. Bunch of them. Bunch of little ones. Scrimp. So we're in the Seahorse Kingdom. After torturing the Nemo fish. yellow banded pipefish, razorfish, boxfish. Now these are interesting. These are upside down jellyfish. Potbelly seahorse. There's a few of them around. See that one? A bunch of them right here. And there's a couple bat sea stars right there. Bart. We're exiting the seahorse kingdom and entering the disco jelly area.
Wow.
So these are moon jellies. Some species of jellyfish are considered to be immortal. They don't have any brains or any internal organs other than the 4 or 5 stomachs that you see there. Here's a disco jelly room. Look at all those jellyfish. A bunch of jellyfish. Every jellyfish in here is a moon jellyfish. So this is the jellyfish lab where they grow the jellyfish. They're in the last stage right back there. This is the first or the second stage here. And then that's what they feed them. Feed them brine shrimp. And the day 1 is for the jellyfish, and the day 2 is for like the seahorses. Now we're at the Ray Lagoon. Ray Lagoon. Southern stingray, Kauno stingray, Chauvinot's guitarfish, Fowler's round ray. Well, we just got done with the aquarium. We're heading back up to the mall area. It was fun. If you liked this video, put the thumbs up and subscribe.